My English Book 4 Standard 4 मराठी माध्यम Unit 2 Page number 25 A team of workers Listen carefully and read with me. Listen carefully and read with me. All body parts stand together holding hands. All body parts stand together holding hands. All work in the morning, in the evening. We are always at work during the day and even at night. We are always at work. Mouth Hands come forward and tell us what you do. Hands we lift, we hold, we carry, we give and we take. We pull, we push, we put. 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There's nothing that we can't do. Mouth Feet come forward and tell us what you do. Feet we walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip and jump and hop. We step forward, we turn about and just in time we stop. Mouth eyes, ears, nose. What about you? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो पान नंबर 26 काढा. पेज नंबर 26 वरती पहा. eyes we open, we close, we read, we blink. We see things far and near. Ears and be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. Nose I breathe day and night. I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you? Mouth oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. I speak, I eat, I drink, I sip, I slurp, I chew and bite. But do I get any of the food? No, it all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly doesn't do any work. All That's right. The belly doesn't do any work. Belly, belly. That's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work. Eyes, eyes. Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. Hands, hands. The only work you do is to grab all good food. Feet, feet. You don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? All, all. We won't work for you. You won't get any food now. Belly, belly. Don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer if you don't give me food. All, all. Don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 3 hours later, 3 hours later. Belly, belly. Please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. Others. No means no. We are all going to relax just like you. Belly, belly. Please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Others, others. Sorry, sorry. Don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. 2 days later, 2 days later. Belly, belly. How are you, my friends? Mouth, mouth. Oh, I feel so dry. Hands and feet, hands and feet. We feel so weak. We feel so weak. Eyes, eyes. We can't see properly. Ears and nose, ears and nose. We feel so tired. All. What's the matter? What's wrong with all of us? विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पेज नंबर 28 काढा. 28. Interbrain, interbrain. Brain, brain. You silly fellows. Now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think. All. Could it be? Is it the belly? Brain, brain. Yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now? All. All. Yes. Yes. Now we know this belly does a lot of work, though he does not show it off. He does important work. All hold hands and sing together. All hold hands and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening. We are always at work. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला पेज नंबर 25, 26, 27, 28 या पेजवरील जे घटक आहे त्याचा वारंवार वाचन करायचं आहे, लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे आणि त्यानंतर तुम्हाला हे साभिनय म्हणायचे. इनॅक्ट द प्ले. साभिनय तुम्हाला हे करायचे, कृती करायची. आता पेज नंबर 28 वर खाली पहा. रीड द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द लेसन. फाइंड रायमिंग वर्ड्स फॉर ईच. पहा, म्हणजे या शब्दाचे रायमिंग वर्ड तुम्हाला शोधायचे आहेत. टेक च काय येणार पहा. मेक. हॉप. स्टॉप. यू. नाऊ. नियर. हियर. रेस्ट. बेस्ट. बाइट. राइट. deceive. receive. List the names of all the body parts in this play. Thank you.